Okay, so hi, um, I'm Keith Mark. So today we're going to continue the presentation, which is I'm going to show you the codes of our mini system. So let's go first to the index PH. So this is the index PH. Then, as you can see, there we are using the HTML doc type and the bootstrap. And now we are using the carousel since we have seen um, three pictures or three images in the system at the index. So here are the carousel. This carousel came from a bootstrap, and then I just going to change that and to uh, change the images, and then this is the gravity.jpg, which comes from this one, and then the other one is the body map here in there, and then the space. So that is the code of the index, and you can see this is the button get started. When you click that, it will go to login.php. Okay, so next is when you click login, the get started, you will go to the login.php. So this is the code of the login.php. So these are the the PHP used. First is we have a db connect.php and functions, which is here to connect the PHP, the codes to the database, and then the functions to connect the the data from the database. Okay, so let's go back to the login ph. So this is the user data check login. Okay, so when you click sign in, it will need to it will need the username and password, and then the select all. This is the query, select all for the user so that it can be checked if the account existed. If yes, then it will go to the home page .php. But if no, or something is wrong, it will display incorrect username and password, please try again. Or if you didn't even fill all the blanks, so it will show here that you have to fill all the blanks. So this is the HTML. As you can see, we are also using a bootstrap since bootstrap can be found in internet and it's free. So we're just having I'm just having to, I mean, I just edited to make it different. So this is the click button, and so in sign ups I don't have an account, and then the login. So this is the placeholder or the one you are going to type in. Okay, so next is if you don't have any accounts, so you will go to the register. So this is the code for the register.php. Okay, so it is using this the query of insert into, since you are going to insert the data. Then after that, if you click sign up, the sign up, it will go to the login ph to relog in. Okay, next is this is the HTML. It is the same as the login. We are still using the bootstrap since it is free. Okay, so what makes it different is that in login you have two placeholders or two input types, and here you have five: the username, last name, uh, first name, password, and email. Okay, then you click submit to register. Next, after that, we are going to show you the homepage.php. Okay, this is the homepage. As you can see, if you uh, if you count how many PHP I have used, or we have used, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one is 6. So there are 6 PHP that we are using. This is for the charts. So as you can see, we have 6 charts. Then that is why we have a PHP of 7. So the other PHP is in here in the code. I just inserted it. This is the code for the table of the schedule. Okay, so this is why we have 7 PHP. Okay, and now this is the HTML. So as you can see, this is the again, like what I said, each one of them connects from other table names. So the other one is connected to the other table names, but it is in the same database. Okay, so this is the HTML, and then the background image, and then the navbar. We already have a simple navbar. Then this is the session of the PHP where it displays the username, and then the drop downs, and then the log out button from the drop down, and then the dashboard name, and then this is the uh, design for the the charts. Okay, so this is the gravity falls, body mapping, 5 years comparison, and so on and so forth. How the universe work and monthly comparison. Okay, so after that we have uh, uh, we are using the script, since we are using the what we have used for the charts is the what we call Morris.js. So this is the script of Morris.js, and another one is the link. Where is it? Okay, so this is the link. As you can see, it has many links, since we are using both Morris.js and Bootstrap. Okay, then there are more than two bootstraps, if you can as you can see it, because of the other components. Okay, and then after that, when you close, we are using the script. This is the script for the line graph. Okay, after that is the bar graph, and then the script for the donut graph or donut chart, and then the area graph, and the last one is another bar graph. So there are two bar graphs, as you can see. The first bar graph has 3 colors in it, and the other bar graph is only 1 colors in it. It depends on the data inside. Okay, so next one is the list. As you can see in the code, or I mean the website, so it has many tables, or it has 6 tables. So as you can see here, I have inserted 6 PHP codes, so that each PHP is connected to other. It is the same from the home page. It is connected to other table. Okay, so this is the PHP for body mapping. This is the table for how for the universe works. This is the table for table year comparison, and so on and so forth. So this is just the same, but what makes them different is the data inside. Okay, so that is the list, or if you can see in the um, website, it is called the data list or database list. Okay, so next one is the logout page. So the logout page, this is just a simple PHP. You just have to unset it in order to go to the login page, and after that you can log in again. It depends on you. Okay, so After that, I'm gonna show you the image. I mean, the image has used. So the background.jpg, this is the background that we have used. This is the body map, okay? And this is the gravity fall. And this is the space. These are the picture that is used. And then the Morris, this is the library of the Morris, from the readme to the example. So that is the code for our system. So I hope you have learned a lot, or and then you understand what our system was made in HTML and PHP. So that's all. Thank you, and God bless everyone. Bye.